We have a nice variegated bromeliad here. It's already in a fairly decent sized pot, but I want to pot it into our usual 20 centimeter for specific purposes. So this is very straightforward in terms of repotting this one here because it's already in a good size. I'll add a bit of soil to the base because this one will need a bit of extra just in the bottom there to accommodate the bottom of the pot. So again, I'm just going to turn it upside down and pot that. You can see with these, it's got quite healthy roots. Again, just pry them out a little bit so that they'll face into the new media nicely. And here we can see a new shoot for the bromeliad starting to poke up as it continues to grow. So with that, we'll just kind of pop it into there. I'm not going to have to add too much extra soil to this one, seeing as that pot was already quite wide. But I'll just top up around the base, or around the sides, sorry. Give it a shake to level out that soil, pat it down, and now we have a nice variegated bromeliad potted into our standard 20 centimeter pot, ready to be placed out